Oh, good morning. I heard there was a big snowstorm back home. Huh, nothing here. Nice 80 degrees weather, as always. Nice and sunny. Oh, yeah. No rain clouds in the sky. Hasn't rained in a couple of days here. I don't have to wear jackets, boots, gloves. Just enjoying the nice warm weather here in the Philippines. Life is good. No more cold, no more rain, cold rain, no puddles, no digging out your car, get stuck. I never had that problem with my truck. But yeah, I think I did the right thing. Don't miss winters. Don't miss them at all. Pictures look good. They can keep them. But yeah, dog's up there. They gotta come by and cut all this grass soon. All right, well, I just wanted to let you know what it looks like when it's beautiful and gorgeous out. All right, well, enjoy the cold weather.